On occasions, we may wish to format the user's input just to make it tidier and make it a bit more presentable. We have some tags that we can use to do this. We have uppercase, lowercase, formal and sentence, and explode. And I'm going to show you each one of these in turn. So let's start by making just a little test category. Okay, now let's say we have some crazy input like, there we go. So what we'll do is just put tags around there. Okay, so we'll call that input. Oops. I'll just set a name to that. Okay, now if we still get name equals input. Okay, let's see what we get. Yeah, so as you can see, it's all a bit messy there. Let's see if we can tidy it up a little bit. So what we can do is there's certain tags we can use. So one of them is lowercase, and they're all fairly self-explanatory. Lowercase, anything between the lowercase tags gets transferred to lowercase. So if we try that, yeah, our input now, yeah, is all nice and lowercase. Yeah, so just like lowercase, we also have uppercase. Which again just does exactly what you would imagine. Takes the input and changes it to uppercase. One that's useful as well is formal. What formal will do is it takes each word and capitalizes the first letter. So if we take our input there, do a test. Yeah, so what it's done is taking our lowercase but made the first word formal. Yeah, and then finally we have one called explode, which sounds rather dramatic, but all that does is just space each letter out. Puts a space in between each letter. So there we go. Yeah. Now these can be quite useful for formatting responses. You can mix and match them. So let's say, for example, someone says spell whatever. Let's get rid of that. So explode. That. Yeah. So now if someone says spell cat, C-A-T. Yeah. So what we can do, let's say, oh well, actually we want that in uppercase, so put that around there. Spell cat. Yeah. C-A-T. Also quite handy for something like, let's say, my name is, and then something. We can use formal because the name should be in a capital letter. Start with a capital letter. Yeah. Say hi there, whatever. And put my name is Steve. Put it in lowercase. Yeah, see, it puts it automatically in uppercase for us. Yeah, so, or even if we put something weird like that, yeah, kind of does it like that. So they're quite useful for formatting user input, just to make it look tidier, and something you may find useful in your own categories.